What are the best survival foods with no cooking needed? In emergencies like power outages, natural disasters, or remote travel, having food that doesn't require cooking is essential. These no-cook survival foods are long-lasting, nutritious, and easy to store, making them ideal for bug-out bags or emergency kits. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the 10 best survival foods with no cooking needed. 1. Canned proteins. Tuna, chicken, sardines, and beans offer protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. Choose varieties packed in water for longer shelf life. 2. Nut butters. Peanut, almond, and sunflower butters are calorie-dense and rich in protein, healthy fats, and vitamins. They store well and don't need refrigeration. 3. Dried fruits and vegetables. Raisins, apricots, and banana chips provide natural sugars and fiber. Dehydrated vegetables like carrot chips or kale crisps add vitamins and crunch. 4. Energy bars. High-calorie bars such as protein bars, granola bars, or survival rations are compact, filling, and shelf-stable for years. 5. Jerky and cured meats. Beef, turkey, and venison jerky offer a portable protein source. Shelf-stable meat sticks and salami are also excellent no-cook options. 6. Crackers and hardtack. These dry staples are carb-rich and pair well with spreads or canned foods. Hardtack is especially known for its long shelf life. 7. Seeds and nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and trail mixes deliver essential fats, protein, and minerals, all without preparation. 8. Ready-to-eat meals. MREs. Meals ready to eat, and cold-packed soups or pasta can be eaten straight from the container. 9. Shelf-stable milk and cheese. Powdered milk, boxed plant milks, and wax-sealed cheeses like Parmesan don't need refrigeration until opened. 10. Hydration and electrolyte mixes. Staying hydrated is critical. Include electrolyte powders or rehydration salts to support energy and focus. Stocking up on these no-cook survival foods ensures you're prepared for any emergency. No stove required. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? With these lost superfoods in your pantry, you'll be able to keep your family well fed during the darkest of times. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.